Good morning, student. Now we are ready for the next or new video of chapter Chemical Kinetics. In the continuous series of Chemical Kinetics, in this lecture we mainly discuss about the temperature dependence of the rate of reactions. How does temperature affect the rate of chemical reactions or rate of reactions ROR? So in this video, all of you please try to understand how does temperature affect the rate of reactions or temperature dependence of rate of reactions. Rate of reactions depends upon the temperature. Actually, all of you know that when temperature increases, then the kinetic energy of the reacting molecule increases, by which the rate of collisions increases. As a result, the rate of reactions increases. And most of the chemical reactions are accelerated by increasing the temperature. Most of the chemical reactions are accelerated by increasing the temperature. For example, consider the case of decompositions of N2O5. Suppose that you observe the rate of decompositions of N2O5. The decomposition of half of the original amount of N2O5 takes 12 minutes at 50 degrees C. 12 minutes at 50 degrees C and 25 degree at 25 degree it takes 5 hours and it takes 10 days at 0 degree C to decompose into half of the initial amount. So my dear student, all of you understand that when the temperature is 50 degrees C, then 12 minutes the amount of N2O5 becomes half. But when temperature decreases to 25 degrees C, then it takes 5 hours to decompose into half of the original amount. At 0 degrees C, it takes 10 days to just half of its original amount. So rate of reactions depends upon the temperature. That means when temperature increases, then the rate of the reactions of the most of the chemical reactions are accelerated or increases. Therefore, all of you keeping in mind that rate of reactions depends upon the temperature. And Arrhenius proposed interrelationship between the rate constant and temperature, and it has been found that for rising 10 degree the rate constant also increased by 2 times in some cases, or even they increase by 3 times. So when the rate of reactions depends upon temperature, then rate constant also depends upon temperature. And experimentally it has been found that when temperature of reactions increase by 10 degrees C or 10 degree, then the rate constant becomes nearly doubled, and exact the relationship between rate constant and temperature was studied by a scientist named Arrhenius, and Arrhenius proposed a relationship between rate constant and temperature. Therefore, all of you try to understand the Arrhenius equation. So, Arrhenius equation would be K is equal to AE to the power minus EA by RT. This is the Arrhenius equation. This is the Arrhenius equation. It is a relationship between rate constant and temperature. Here A is a constant, E is the exponential factor, EA is the activation energy. EA is the activation energy. And R is the gas constant, all of you know gas constant, and the value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and T is the absolute temperature in Kelvin. Absolute temperature in Kelvin. So, please all of you try to understand the Arrhenius equation, which is K is equal to AE to the power minus EA by RT, where A is a pre-exponential factor or Arrhenius factor or frequency factor. A is the frequency factor or pre-exponential factor, pre-exponential factor or Arrhenius factor. So this is the Arrhenius equation, and it try to establish the relationship between rate constant and temperature. I think that all of you understand. Now to find out the value of K and A, we take logarithm both sides. Then the Arrhenius equation modified as follow: ln K is equal to minus EA by RT plus ln A. Now we plot the graph between ln K and 1 by T. This is the graph between ln K and 1 by T. Then the graph is obtained and the slope giving the value of minus EA by R. This is asked several times in the board examination. Graph is given, what is the value of slope? So please student, please always keep in your mind, slope is equal to minus EA by R, and then I think that all of you understand this is the graphical relationship. Now student, we start comparison of rate constant with different temperature. Suppose that at temperature T1, then ln K1 is equal to minus EA by RT1 plus ln A. This is the equation number 1. At temperature T2, then rate constant is equal to K2, ln K2 is equal to minus EA divided by RT2 plus ln A. This is the equation number 2. Now subtract the equation 2 from 1, then we get ln K2 minus ln K1 is equal to EA divided by RT1 minus EA divided by RT2. Now EA and EA by R taking the common, then we get this equation. And when logarithm is converted into log, then it is multiplied with log 2.303. Then in this case log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 under bracket 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. This is the important equation on which numericals are asked in the board examinations. So all of you try to understand. Now next, and it is also modified as follow: log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 T2. All of you use this equation to solve the question. Now we try to explain one numericals on this basis. This is numericals of your NCERT book, and the question is now student, one numerical based on the Arrhenius equation. So please all of you try to understand very important numericals, and this question asked in board examination in several times. So please all of you try to understand the reactions. Questions. The rate of reactions quadruple. That means rate of reactions ROR increased by 4 times. Quadruple means increase by 4 times. Quadruple. When the temperature changes from 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin, calculate the energy of activation of the reactions, assuming that it does not change with the temperature. So in this question, mainly we find out the activation energy. So all of you try to understand how would we solve this kind of question. Now, first of all, solve given, let initial rate constant 1, then K2 is equal to 4, T1 is equal to 293 Kelvin and T2 is equal to 313 Kelvin. This is given. Now apply the Arrhenius equation, which is log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R under bracket T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. This is the equation, and you put the value of all the given quantity, then you put the value over log K2 is equal to 4 by 1 equals to EA 2.303. The value of R is 8.314. Under bracket T2 is 313 minus 293 by 293 into 313. And then this is the log 4, and the log 4 value is 0.6021. This is given. Don't worry about it. The log value is given. Log 4 is equal to 0.6021. This is given in the question. So don't worry about memorize the log value. So it is given already in the question. So you can solve in this way. Now EA is equal to, you multiply and solve all these things. Then after the calculation, the value will be, and then you calculate the value, and then you find out the value of log 4 6.0021 is equal to EA, and then multiply 2.300 into 8.314, and then 20 by 293 into 313, and then you solve to find out the value of EA, and the value of EA is 52862.94 joule per mole. This is the value of EA, or EA is equal to 52.862 kilojoule, 3 kilojoule per mole. So in this way you find out the value of activation energy. This is very important topic of the chapter chemical kinetics and very important for you. So please all of you try to understand the concept given by the Arrhenius. Arrhenius established relationship between rate constant and temperature, and hoping that all of you understand. So please follow the concept. Thank you and take care.